Hello,
Hey
sir.
Baba, how are you?
I am good. How are you doing, sir?
Absolutely fantastic.
I lost you, sir, in between. I guess there was some
Can
internet
you hear
issue.
me? Hear
Yeah,
me?
yeah.
Is it all okay?
Yes, yes, sir. We are back now. So, sir,
Okay.
the motive of this interview, and from our secret sources, we have got to know that you are working for Sukriti and Akriti at Lakme Fashion Week. So, how did you resonate with their collection, or what was that one thing that that made you say yes to become showstopper for them?
So, Divya, of course, I've been a showstopper earlier as well.
Right. Yes.
Uh, but this time it's special because it's for Sukriti and Akriti. I love their sense of style. And this time is also special because we are going, virtual with the entire event.
Right.
It's amazing to have those twinkling eyes, when you're walking the ramp. But having said that, it's a great idea to have a virtual fashion week this time, and I think Lakme Fashion Week team and FDCI's team and all the designers have worked really hard for it. And talking about the fact that how much do I resonate with their sense of style, I have always loved their styles and the colors. This is the first time they're launching menswear, and I feel so special that they're launching it with me. And I'm going to be walking the ramp with my friend Radhika Madan, and you know, totally looking forward to rock the stage with her. We have a very nice matching Fulkari outfit, and I think the kind of colors Sukriti and Akriti have picked up, they're very festive. They're very, uh, wedding. They're very. I would love to wear, these colors at a nice sundowner wedding in Goa. So let's see
So,
how. I mean,
yes. So talking about Fulkari as it hails from Punjab only. So, Fulkari is also very feminine. It has a stereotype attached to it. It's very feminine. So, how do you think the collection is breaking that stereotype?
yeah. See, from you mean. It's too. I mean, that men can't wear it. See, I think these years it's been so many years. Guys have been wearing pinks and all. Uh, Boys have started wearing a skirt for that matter. I
Right.
think now there is no rule when it comes to fashion.
Right.
So uh, I'm sure that guys these days love experimenting, and but having said that, only those colors are, if at all you have to say something like that, even only those colors are like that. I mean, it'll still be on a bundy, which is always supposed to be for men.
Right. So now coming to the movies, what is the general atmosphere in your vanity? How, selective or cautious are you when it comes to the looks in movies?
Yeah, when it comes to look in the movies, I mean, see, my look for the past so many years has been very constant of a small town boy, you know, who is not very cool. So, but in the past couple of films, I have kind of tried to make it a little more aspirational because you don't want to get stereotyped, in that space. And uh, in mine, and if I talk about Helmet, I think. You'll see a mix of, even when the story is of, a place in UP, but you'll see a certain kind of, style in him, because now these days, um people in small town do follow style very, very, uh, effortlessly, I would say.
Right.
They have really cool haircuts, they'll have really cool fitted clothes. So
Right.
yeah, trying to fit that now in my upcoming films.
Okay. So, how open are you for experiments in personal life? So, do you get picky with colors, materials, or brands, or selectiveness, or something for that?
Uh, I am half experimental with my clothes for sure. Um, and when it comes to colors, yes, suddenly I have started liking the blacks and the whites and the grays. I'm wearing a gray,
Classics.
jumper right now.
Right.
I have gone back to classics because, majorly because I think lockdown has made us do that. Yeah, it has
Right.
made our life very simple, simpler than what it was earlier.
Right.
So yeah, that's what is happening in my life as well. But having said that, once all these events and all start, you will come back to those bright colors.
And what about the accessories that you can't go without?
यार आई लव माई सन ग्लासेस. आई एम सच अ सन ग्लास पर्सन दैट मैं कई बार तो रात को ही पहन लेता हूँ यार. मतलब इतना पागल के पीछे. सो दैट्स वन एक्सेसरी. लाइक अभी भी मैं आपके पास आके बैठा हूँ, उससे पहले मैं ऐसे बैठा हुआ था. एंटर मैं ऐसे किया था.
ओह
वो
वाह,
साहब क्या हाल है, ठीक है.
ऐसे
उसके बाद मैंने इसको, मुझे
ऐसे
लगा
एंट्री अच्छी
दिव्या आ गई.
रहती, ऐसे एंट्री अच्छी रहती.
थैंक्स
सो
यार दिव्या, थैंक यू सो.
तो सर स्नीकर्स का आजकल बॉलीवुड में बहुत क्रेज है, तो तीन ऐसे स्नीकर्स ब्रांड या जो मॉडल्स वगैरह होती हैं, वेरिएशंस होती हैं, उनमें तीन एक्सपेंसिव ब्रांड्स कौन सी है आपके पास?
Yeah, I have this really cool off-white sneakers. Then I have a couple of Balenciaga sneakers. I have another really cool brand. It's called Golden Goose. So वो मैंने white कलर के एक sneakers लिए थे दुबई से, and काफी ज्यादा प्यारे हैं वो मुझे. एंड आई मस्ट टेल यू, एक बड़ा अजीब ट्रिविया बताता हूँ. मैं दुबई में गोल्डन गूस पे शॉपिंग कर रहा था, एंड सडनली मुझे दिनेश विजन वहां पे मिल गए. हिम विद हिज वाइफ.
राइट.
सडनली we both had no idea that we both are in Dubai. By chance बात नहीं हुई, कुछ नहीं. And suddenly I run into him. बड़ा अजीब लगता है. मतलब बॉम्बे में आप कहीं
हाँ
टकर
जी.
के एक दूसरे को you run into each other, it's very
Right.
normal. दुबई में आप शॉपिंग कर रहे हो और वहां पे सडनली आपको मिल जाए. So and I'm starting a Mad Dog film in 10 days from now.
Right.
It's a crazy film on parents adoption.
Wow.
So it's this film is with Kriti, Raj, and Paresh ji and Ratna ma'am. So yeah.
So, sir, coming to these fashion weeks only, which designers are you currently eyeing on apart from Sukriti and Akriti? Whose collection are you eyeing on?
Yeah, all of them are really good. All of them are putting their best foot forward. Uh, I'll be looking forward to Siddharth Titler's collection
Yes.
and Nikhil Sharma collection.
Okay. So now coming to the questions, apart from the fashion thing, and we have got it from your fans only. So if you have to pick, if you have to choose from the following, what it would be? Chole bhature from Punjab or Bombay ki pav bhaji?
Chole Bhature from Punjab, of course.
Okay. So a role in a big budget film or a small influential role in a small production house?
Sorry, come again, come again. A
A
small
role,
role in a.
sorry, an influential role in a small production house.
Yeah, a good film. That's about it. A good world. उसके बाद छोटा है, बड़ा है, बड़ी फिल्म है, छोटी फिल्म है, doesn't matter. The
Okay.
script should be good, and I should enjoy working with the people I'm working with. That's it.
So how do you, Apar, keep yourself motivated when a film, you seem to have, you have aspirations with, but does not perform to a level. So how do you motivate yourself on those low days?
यार ऑफ कोर्स, आई मीन ये तो प्लस माइनस होता ही रहेगा हमेशा जिंदगी में. नोबडी कैन हैव अ स्मूथ रोड अहेड. आई जस्ट टेक इट वन डे एट अ टाइम, एंड द मोमेंट यू feel down and out about life, you just go and do things which make you feel happy, like music, like sports, like talking to my closest friends, and life is good again.
So what has been your fitness mantra in this COVID times? Did you miss gym or
Yeah, I had set up a home gym in Bombay. Now that I'm in Chandigarh, I get to run a lot of streets. I get to play badminton with my school friends. So yeah.
So how bad is the situation in Chandigarh? Bombay, we know is the worst, but what is the scene in Chandigarh?
Of course, the rise in the cases is happening here as well. But having said that, I mean, of course, it's quite. I mean, it's not as bad as Bombay. So at least you can go out and meet your family and friends.
Okay. So, sir, last question is Apar Shakti, the actor or the singer? What would you choose if you have to choose one?
Me, definitely an actor. Yeah. I mean, I am not a trained musician. I uh, do music only out of passion,
Okay.
and I think it's something which is my first job, and I would love to keep it to that.
Okay, so but sir, talking about the music, it's my personal request that you sing Kudiyeni for our audience.
Okay, let me do that, Divya, for you
Yes,
and your
sir.
audience. Okay.
Yes, sir.
ਕੁੜੀਏ ਨੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਦਿਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਸ ਜਾ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਨੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਓ ਜੱਚਦਾ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰਾ دیਵਾਨਾ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਨੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਓ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਨੀ ਐ ਚੁੱਪੀ ਤਾਂ ਤੋੜ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਨੀ ਆ ਨਾ ਕਾਨੀ ਵੀ ਛੋੜ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਨੀ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਨੀ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਨੀ ਕੁੜੀਏ There you go.
Thank you, sir. It was lovely
Thank you
having you
so
on
much.
board.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. It was a pleasure talking to you. Please give my regards to everyone at High on Persona
Thank you,
and
sir.
take care of yourself.
Definitely, sir. Thank you.